In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste a track in BandLab Studio. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to duplicate audio or MIDI content inside your project so you can quickly build arrangements, repeat sections, or try new ideas without starting from scratch. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. First, head to the BandLab website in your browser. Once you're there, log into your account so you can access your projects. After you're signed in, look for your library. This is where all your saved projects live. Open the project you want to edit so we can work inside the BandLab Studio environment. Next, click on Studio to launch the full editor. This opens the timeline where your tracks, clips, and mixer controls are displayed. Give it a moment to load if your project has a lot of tracks or effects. Now select the track that contains the audio or MIDI you want to copy. You can click the track header to select the entire track, or click a specific clip on that track if you want to copy just a section. You'll usually see a highlight or outline indicating what's selected, which helps confirm you've got the right piece. With your selection ready, right-click to bring up the context menu. Choose Copy. This saves your selection so you can place it exactly where you want it next. If you prefer, you can also copy using your usual system shortcut, but the right-click menu works reliably and keeps things straightforward. Move the playhead to the exact spot where you want the copied audio or MIDI to begin. The playhead is the vertical line on the timeline that shows your current position. You can click on the timeline ruler to place it precisely. For cleaner results, consider lining it up on a bar or beat marker, especially if your project uses a steady tempo. If you're zoomed out, zooming in briefly can make placement easier and more accurate. Once the playhead is where you want, paste. The copied material will appear starting at that playhead position on the same track you copied from. Give it a quick listen to confirm timing and alignment. If something isn't lining up the way you expected, you can undo and try again or adjust the playhead and paste once more. That's all there is to it. You've copied your selection, positioned your playhead, and pasted it right where it needs to go, keeping your workflow fast and your arrangement tidy.